Welcome. So now we'll go to Nike's. Nike became in 2018. It was rated valued at 29.6 billion US dollar company, and it is like the what are their principles? How it becomes how it became 29.6 billion dollar company. The first principle they have, it is our nature to innovate. It is our nature. When it is somebody's nature to innovate, so what they can do for their company or their life. Okay, this is so beautiful principle. It is our nature to innovate. Okay, it is in their blood, in genes. Okay, second principle is Nike is a company. Okay, like a lot of people say Nike is a brand. It is a company, and there are a lot of pillars to it. People, branding, a lot of stuff is there. So that also differentiates how company is thinking. Nike is a brand. It is also a brand. So the logo, the whoosh logo is instantly recognizable around the world. Nike logo. I also like Nike. So this logo, Nike sees this as a symbol of its global leadership. So see how beautifully and deep they are about everything they do, and it will enter only those markets that it thinks is can dominate. Okay, it says if we can't lead it, we won't need it. So Nike is very specific about markets also. Like the logo defines the principle. Okay, and then that is the third. Let's go to the fourth principle. Fourth principle of Nike is simplify and go. I have seen, like, from Leonardo da Vinci till all the artists. I've studied all the prophets and all people. What they have done is they have simplified things. Okay, when you simplify things, people will come to you. Okay, simplify and go. New products have short life cycle in terms both technology and fashion. The company believes that it makes quick yet skillful decisions is key to the success. This aspect of Nike's vision, together with the seventh maximum, is particularly powerful in articulating the company's hugely successful use of emergent strategy, like simplify and go. That is the best principle, and simplification is beautiful principle. And then fifth principle is the consumer decides. The consumer decides. It's never company, never the people who are working in company. Consumer will decide. The company is keenly aware of the sophistication of its customers and treats them as its key stakeholders. They know their customer. They know their customer, what they want, and this is how they design their products accordingly. It's never about you. It's always about customer. So be a spongy. Be a spongy. Employees at Nike are encouraged to be curious, open to new ideas, whatever their source. They are encouraged, curious. They are for new ideas and innovation in their blood. So seventh principle: evolve immediately. Never ever, because see, time is going. You are already in a risk. So never ever do procrastination or perfectionism. Just immediately evolve. Nike sees itself as a being in the perpetual motion, viewing change as a key source of innovation. Always change is the innovation. If you don't change, you will not survive. So do the right things. Nike eighth principle: always do the right things. Then master of the fundamentals. Always know your fundamentals. Never ever compromise with the fundamentals. Okay, all innovations in the world is useless if you can't put into action. If you don't put into action, no innovation is going to work, nothing is going to work. A crucial part of Nike's success is ability to refine its performance. The recent growth in the profits suggested that it is achieving this. So always be fundamental, understand your fundamentals of the business. We are on the offense always. 10th principle. They are not defensive company. They are always on offense. What does it mean? Stay ahead in the extreme competition environment. Nike urges its people to act like leaders in the field to achieve victory. Okay? They are on offense, not defense. Remember the man. They always remember Bill Bronman. He still had held in the high esteem throughout Nike, both for his understanding and athletes' needs and for his innovative spirit. So he started Nike company, and he's always been remembered, and that is the 11th principle. And I think this also shows that they have a gratitude for the man who started Nike company. So we'll go to the another principle, which is what Steve Jobs says about the principles. And let's talk about Steve Jobs today. So he also made another $1 trillion company. So let's go and understand, and let me know what have you learned from these principles, how you're going to implement in your course and design in a project.